guys, welcome to Coffee with RC Lala Season 2. So with us, today we have Ladkiyon Ki Dil Ki Dhadkan, the heart rock of RID 3140, District Secretary, Protractor Kaustav Ghosh. And also the married bachelor of RID 3140, DRR, Protractor Web of Shinde. Thank you guys coming for this event and giving us the opportunity to take your interview. So we are here to know your life about how was your journey from a GB member to a DRR member, and how was your journey from a GB member to a district secretary. So can you just introduce yourself in your style?
DRR first.
Let's start with the DRR.
I guess my journey with Rotrack started even before I joined Rotrack. I'm not sure how many of you guys know, but when I was a part of SIS, and that time it was a time when Rotrack Club of SIS got chartered, and that time I was not a Rotractor, but I was a part of this new group called as Nirma. Have you heard about Nirma?
No, I haven't.
Have you heard about Nirma?
Nirma, that washing powder.
No. Okay, Nirma is the abbreviation for not interested in Rotrack at all.
Oh my god.
Not interested in Rotrack movement at all. So that's the Nirma group that we had in SIS.
Vaibhav not interested in Rotrack.
Yeah, that was my intention. Obviously, I was a part of the Students' Council, and it's usually the trend that Student Council people hate Rotrack, not hate, but they have this cold war which is happening, and there's a competition between Rotrack and the Student Council that we have in the organization. So yes, that was my first interaction, but when I saw Rotrack Club working for 2 years when I was a GS, I saw the activities that the club was doing. I guess that time Heath Savla was the president of SIS, and so after I passed out of SIS, I was one day just going to my house, and I met two of the Rotractors, and they told me about this project called as Ichha. So Ichha is a project wherein what New Bombay does is they go to an orphanage, or they go to some school for underprivileged, and they take down the wishes of all the kids, and we try to fulfill all the wishes that the kids have. And that's how my journey and the interaction with Rotrack started. That was my first project, and after attending that I decided, okay, I have to be a part of Rotrack. So that's how I joined Rotrack Club of New Bombay. And yeah, when I joined New Bombay, we had just had like 9 members, 9 or 10 active members, and obviously there was no candidate for who will become the president, so I was pushed to become a president that time, and that's how my journey as a president started. So after like couple of months, 5-6 months in Rotrack, I got an opportunity to be the president of Rotrack Club of New Bombay. And yes, the president journey was not so happening. I had traveled to Pune for my work commitments, so I couldn't just do justice to the president's post. And that's why I always say being a president is more difficult than to be a district council member or than to be a DRR, because the presidents have their own challenges and the presidents have their own commitments. So it's a different, I feel, struggle altogether. But yeah, then I became the president. After that, I got an opportunity to work in the zone and got the opportunity to be the ZRR for the Unstoppable Zone 2B, and then became the community service director, worked with Sachin Chigwan, Hema and Mustafa Disawala that time in the community service team. After that, got a chance to be in the core team of Rotractor, Manish Solanki. I was handling the zones with him. The chairman zones after that, and after that during Hemant's tenure I was the chairman TRS, because I felt chairman TRS is the perfect post that I can get during when I was a DRI elect. Because I got an opportunity to interact more with clubs, to create more leaders, and to work on the club's training revival and such things. So that's how the journey was. Now it's the 7th year. Yeah, that is how it was. I think Kaustav has a more interesting journey than me.
But as we proceed to Kaustav, I have heard Kaustav only saying that you should grasp opportunity. And that's what Vaibhav did by taking the presidentship, and right now he's sitting in front of us as DRR, Protractor Vaibhav Shinde. start with Kaustav.
Yeah. So there was this shy and not so confident guy. At all hate to socialize. Rather get scared to socialize. And I happened to sit in a Rotary function, my parents' Rotary function. That time my dad was a Rotarian. And I was sitting in the corner and having my dinner after the function. And there's this small girl who came beside me and sat down and started chatting with me. And I was very, very, I was like, ki khana khane do achhe se, etc., etc., sort of. Because I hated to socialize that at those times. She introduced me to something called as Rotract. I could not pronounce at that time what was Rotract and how was it. She invited me for a meeting in ITM College, Kharghar. And I happened to go there, and it was an orientation session taken by the likes of Tarun Ahuja, and I don't even remember who they were, but I remember Tarun Ahuja coming and speaking about Rotract. That was my first interaction with Rotract and with Rotractors. Slowly and steadily, I started loving the movement, and I started enjoying, the other side of me, which I had not explored by that time. Then this small little girl approached me to be the secretary of the club, and I was like, this is a huge position for me. I don't know whether I'll be doing justice or no. I told her this. But she was like, she had confidence in me, and she's like, Kaustav, you can do it and you should do it. I was like, okay, if somebody entrusts me so much, I should go ahead and do it. I took up the secretaryship, and from that day, it was 7 years from now, there was no looking back. There was no looking back at all. That small little girl is Rotractor Jinal, my charter president of Rotract Club of Navi Mumbai Sunrise, and I always owe her that those rather 5-10 minutes that she spent with me on that dinner, on that Rotary function, because if it wouldn't have been her, I wouldn't have been sitting here and giving this interview either. So she got me into the movement, held my hands, and I remember I used to go for district projects, and I used to stand, I used to find a pillar. I literally used to find a pillar to hide. But she used to take me along, make me meet people, introduce me to people as her secretary, and slowly and steadily I grew in the movement. Tough times I have seen in the club, and I was to take up presidentship, but I wanted others also to get an opportunity. That's why I took a step back, and I did not apply, or rather wanted also to be the president. But a time came when we had a president in place back in 2011-12 in our club, and on the 15th of August, I remember that person messaged me when I was at a trek in Pune, and that person messaged me saying that I cannot take up the presidentship and I'm stepping down. And when I came back from that trek, people approached me and people like, this is the opportunity, you should take it up. I took up the presidentship around August end. I had the installation around November. We had a very, very small installation. Nobody remembers that installation. I don't even remember if district council members or the district, people had come. But that was a very, very small occasion. And from there, I realized that this is the opportunity that I required always. From being a president, the next year ZRR of the Unstoppable Zone 2B, where memories are still very much alive. Working alongside Shruti was the biggest sort of an opportunity that came to me in Rotract, and working obviously alongside Zone 2B. Next year, I was really, really very proud when this man of values, culture, a lot of knowledge came up to me and really approached me that, Kaustav, in Avenues, we need somebody with very, very good communication skills. Will you be my deputy? I was like, I had no words, and I could not express at that time, but I was like very, very thankful to this man, Rotractor Gautam Rulla, who gave me that opportunity and a lift from a ZRR to a deputy chairman Avenues. Next year, obviously I wanted, and I also remember Gina taking me to Rotract Club of New Bombay, and I meeting this man at that time, and very jovial, very friendly guy. We didn't know we'll come so much along together, but then we got a chance to work along as deputy chairman TRS in the TRS team. And yes, then obviously we had to keep our bond and friendship going also in the road track fraternity and the district secretary. And it was always a dream. I came up. So the first project was road tractor Ravi Kiran Apte's outgoing and Rashesh Dosi's incoming. And at that time, I saw people exchanging color on the podium, and I told Jinal that, you know, Jinal took me along to that program. I told Jinal someday I would want to stand up there and be a DRR, and that happened on the 26th of January 2014. So really thankful, and really have come up from being a GBM to a secretary, and so yeah, thank you for this opportunity for me also to relive this moment again. Thank you.
So, like, we go forward on the next segments. The first thing I like to do, like, hats off for your careers in road track. You all have been the support system for road track. According to me, you all have been my inspiration, and I have seen Vaibhav speaking, and I'm his big fan.
Oh, shit.
And Kaustav, your cheers, your logics, your activities, amazing. Please be like this throughout your life. So we start with our first segment, the question hour, as we call it.
Okay.
So there are some set of questions which I'm going to ask you, and yes, I'm going to get the answers. I know that. And there will be some questions which will be like specifically for Vaibhav, and some questions which will be specifically for Kaustav, and there are some questions which are for both.
Okay.
So we start with the first question, which is for both. Share one funny incident in your road track journey. That incident which made you laugh like anything. So we start right now with Kaustav.
Okay, so the crazy times at Road Tractor, Omkar Jagdale's house just before rain, 2012-13, Zedara shipyard. Those crazy times, you know, there are many crazy stories. So yeah, the entire lot of crazy.
Like, can you just explain one incident, like elaborate it and say, no?
Okay, so Omkar had this microwave in his house, okay, and we happened to open it because we had got food from outside, and जब तक हम लोग खाने वाले थे तब तक ठंडा हो गया था, and we had to heat it up. We opened it and we found out a bowl, okay, and that bowl had Maggi, which was at least 8 months old, and that had black ऐसे spots all around. जो smell भी आने वाला था वो भी extinguish हो गया था.
No one dared to eat
Yeah.
anything at his place
After that incident. So you know the crazy
It was one of the
moment.
cleanest house that we have seen. So after going to Omkar's house, we had to clean our feet when we used to come out. So that's how.
Yes,
Right?
that's the crazy moment.
Yeah. To ask, okay. My funny moment or a crazy moment would be, I don't know if I've shared with anyone this instance. I was doing this installation hopping from one installation to I was going to the other one, and I had to change my shirt somewhere, right? So I went to the McDonald's in Thane. Okay, I went to the washroom, I changed my shirt, I came out, and there was a girl standing and staring at me. And she was staring at me, and I was like, what? You see, it's a ladies' washroom. And I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. So that was one of the funniest incidents that have happened to me in road track. So I was in a hurry. I had to go for the next installation. I had to catch a train, so I had no choice. But I just went to McD's. I went to the washroom and then changed, and I came back, and I had a surprise for me. That's one of the funny incidents that I have experienced in road traction during my life.
Thank you. So we move on to the second question. One person you want to thank today on this platform, and why?
Thank for.
Like helping
For
you,
road track?
yeah, for road track.
Obviously, if you ask me, then it would be definitely road tractor Gautam Lula. Because I was never so much interested to be a part of district council and never interested to be active in the zone or something. But he was the one who got me in the zone. I was the IPP of New Bombay, and that time he got me involved in RED. He pushed me to participate in RED, and that's how I started interacting with the zonal members. And next year he was a zonal chairman zones, and yeah, and during that time I got the opportunity. I was not going to fill the form, but he asked me to fill the form for ZRR. I filled the form and I got the opportunity to be the messages that are of zone to me. So I feel that's how my journey in district council started. So, and one of the biggest motivations that we have, biggest guide that we have, or a mentor. So it's like whenever I'm doing something, at least I give him a call, I check, okay, this is something that I'm planning to do, take his opinion. So I always take his opinion before doing most of the things. So yeah, and he's the expert, he knows it all, 10 years in the movement, and if he has answers for almost everything that you ask him about Rotract. And apart from Rotract as well, he's one of the bestest friend that I have got and we have got. And yeah, so that would be Gautam Lalla.
Gautam will be so happy after listening to this.
Of course.
Gautam, please watch Coffee with RC Lalas.
Yeah.
The next question for Weber. We know that Kaustav is your great buddy, and we want you to imitate him when he has his secretary's caps on.
It's very difficult to imitate Kaustav. Not very difficult, I would say. So, couple of things which Kaustav says. Guys, you have to respond to the messages on time. You can't be so lazy. You cannot take so much time to reply to the messages. Because usually what happens is Kaustav sends so many long messages, and we are not that fast to catch up to his speed of typing and everything. And almost every message that he sends has 7 to 8 questions that he asks, and not everyone answers to that question. So that's what pisses Kaustav off. And he's the person who always keeps on taking follow-ups with you. So, and his peculiar style, whenever he calls, good evening Weber, good evening. So that is something which everyone knows Kaustav for his good evening and cheers. Yeah, I think these are the few things which I can try and be like Kaustav. But yes, it's very difficult to be Kaustav Ghosh, the kind of person he is. So good with his communication. I'm not even 1% of Kaustav Ghosh when it comes to communication, or when it comes to hardcore passionate road traction. That's what I feel. So I look up to Kaustav as a road tractor, and yes, and I'm very happy that he's a part of the team 1560.
That's an amazing answer. So now it's your turn, Kaustav, to imitate Weber. Not as a DRR, but I've heard like y'all have got like many night outs. So I want you to imitate him when he's at home and not a DR.
Okay. So yeah, I was getting ready for this answer. So basically, what happens is maybe when we have an intense discussion on any topic, which is like thoda sa going above his head. So what he'll do is he'll sit aram se in his shorts, okay, and he'll be like, okay. Chalo. All of us are discussing intensely, and he will sit nicely, and he's like, chalte ja rahe, and he'll sort of, kujofy his. Yeah, but one thing I need to add, obviously. But at the end, so we all feel at that time he's not listening, or he's zoned out or something. But at the end, he will give logical answers, and after all this discussion is done, we all want a sort of a conclusion. And I guess in this discussion, in the core team discussions, I've started looking up to Weber for concluding stuff and giving a solution to it, and which is very important, because at times what happens is we get swayed by the discussions that keep on happening, and we need to put an end. And I think Weber will do it brilliantly nowadays. And we have also started being solution oriented rather than discussing on points over and over. So yeah.
That's another amazing answer. Like, it seems that you all know each other quite well. So now next question for Kaustav. How it feels to be called the Alok Nath?
Okay. I don't know. I don't have an answer to this, but just the way I am, rather maybe. I like to be the way I am, and I'm very proud of that. Sometimes, yes, people get a question mark on. I shouldn't mention this, but yeah, people get a question mark on my genuinity on doing stuff. But yes, I'm a person who is very clear by conscience. Whatever I do, I'm very clear. So it feels good, but it is just the way I am.
Yeah, I feel the question is because you won't find you won't find many people who like to compliment others. So I feel that's the quality of Kaustav that he has. He loves to compliment people, and he's very open about it. So I feel that's why people might at times might think that okay, is he saying it for real or is he faking it? So that's what the context is. I feel, if I'm trying to understand correctly, right?
Web. Okay. How did you meet Shraddha?
I think yeah, it was during my junior college days. I was in 11th standard, and there was an annual day was happening at my college, and I was a part of the dance crew that we had, and Shraddha was hosting the event. So yeah, that's how we met first, and I think it was love at first sight. And we were practicing, and she entered the room, and I saw her, and I thought, okay, there is some connection.
I think that was the awe moment for
Yeah, that was the awe moment for me. So yeah, after that, yeah, that's how I met her for the first time. Yeah, it was during the practice sessions of the annual day.
So now we have the last question of this question hour for Kaustav. We are curious to know the connection between you and Cheers.
Okay, so I think this is the second time I'm going to, spread this message on social media and through a video. So I was sitting with a couple of friends back in my college days, and I don't drink. So all my friends were drinking, and they raised the glass and they cheered each other. Okay. And at that time I was very new to this sort of, going for night outs, drinking, etc. So when they raised that glass, I was very closely looking at all their faces and smiles. And I felt that at that time, they had a different emotion with them. So they raised the glass and they said cheers. So from that day, from that night rather, I started thinking that if in real life, all of us can enact that very moment where we raise the glass with a lot of emotion, with a lot of happiness, we cheer each other, and if this feeling can be continued not only for that split moment but for the entire life, for every moment that we live in life. And that's why the concept of cheers.
So now we end with our first segment finally. I hope you all had fun with
Yeah,
this
yeah.
segment. So now we start with the second segment, the rapid fire round. I'll be telling you one word and you have to tell me some adjective or some of your feelings for that word. Zone 2B,
Family and love,
community service,
by heart,
night outs with Rever,
crazy fun,
Purvi Sehgal,
close friend and sister,
the last one, District 3141.
will always be a buddy to look after,
Next question for Kaustav. Name 5 presidents of the year 2014-15 of every zone. Like,
for every zone.
yeah,
1A,
5 presidents each zone.
yeah, each zone.
each zone.
Yes, 1A5, 2A5, 1B5. Let's see on the
That's
video.
how it's cool, yeah.
1A, Churchgate,
It's gonna be controversial, I guess.
Aziz,
No prompting.
Sathe College, Sathe, I've been close to Satyar. No, Abhinandan is this year, 16. Bombay Bandra, I forget her name. I'm very bad at names. Tasmia. 1A. No, I give up at 3. 1A ke liye. 1. Neeraj Kabra. Yeah, Jai Hind. And I give up at 4. Palghar. I don't know. So anyways, 1A I give up. 1B, Aditya Shastri, Apurv Gangar, Deepal Modi, Andheri, Juhi Prabhu of the Isar Coast. And the fifth club. Zarana Vyas from RCTTSS. 2A. Zarna. 2A Dhwani Khalsa. Chaitanya from SIS Sion West. Ayushi from Ruya. Abhinav Garg from Bombay Uptown. This one. Sunny Gopani from Shivaji Park. And I'll take the sixth name also. Soham Batavia for Batavia for RC Lala. I took 6 names of 2A. 2B. Sarvesh Joshi from Rotterdam Mumbai Sunrise. Tushar from Hillside. Gauri from SIS Nerul. Abhijit Devnath from New Bombay. Aishwarya Sitaram from Devnath. 3A Abhijit Durve from downtown. Mitali Jadia from Suburban. Neha Patil from Central, Thane Central. Thane. I give up at 3. Thane. I can't remember names right now. 3B. Very bad. Sorry. 3B. Trishala from Dombivli Midtown Youth. Kalyan West. Vivek Tari from Kalyan West. Vivek Tari. Then Adarsh College. Akshay from Adarsh College. Sorry, Rohit Kadam from Adarsh College.
That's bad.
Yeah, I know.
No worries.
Yeah,
Well
I think
played, Kostov. Next question.
Yeah.
Rate these male DCMs as per their sex appeal. First, Nikhil Lokhande.
Give me the rating.
Yeah, you have to give me the rating out of 10.
Out of 10,
Yeah.
right?
Start with Nikhil.
Yeah. 7 out of 10.
Abhishek Mehta.
8 on 10.
Naseem Ahmed.
Oh. 8 on 10.
Manan Gala.
6 on 10.
Apurv Gangar.
9 on 10.
Next question. The Rotary International's theme 2014-15.
Oh, that's be a gift to the world.
So now that's
15,
16.
16. Light up Rotary.
So last question for Kostov. Favorite post in road track movement till now?
Favorite post? My post?
Yeah, your post.
Okay, so obviously the post after DRS.
Leaving that.
Post after, what was the post that you have served?
So,
Achha, post.
Post.
Achha, my
Which you have-
designations. I think ZRR ship till now. Obviously the DRR ship is remaining. So, yeah, till now. Obviously the district secretary ship is also remaining. But till now, ZRR ship of zone 2. That has to be the top.
done. Okay. So now above with you the rapid fire round. The first question for you. One word for the words which I am going to ask you.
Okay.
Road track.
Passion,
Love.
Shraddha,
Friendship.
road tractors,
Marriage.
of course Shraddha.
Okay. Then Costa.
Cheers.
So, name the DRRs in the chronological order from the year 2008.
2008.
Yeah.
2008-9 Ravi, 2009-10 Rashesh, 2010-11 Hari Krishnan Pillai, 2011-12 Vineet Parekh, 2013-14 12-13 Naseem, 13-14 Manish Solanki, 14-15 Imam Jakia, 15-16 Belush.
Now, if not a retractor, what they would do?
Okay.
Cost-
Still they're doing, okay.
I mean to say, like, if not in the retract movement, what would
Okay.
they be? Costa,
Maybe a professor,
Hima,
diamond merchant. Of course he
still a
is.
diamond.
But
Something
yeah,
else?
maybe a dancer.
Hima dances.
Yeah, Himang was a choreographer.
Rohan Dalmi.
Rohan Dalmia. I think he can do anything good, whatever he does. He is good at everything.
As you say, your best buddy Gautam Villa.
He has to be the strong broker. He's superb with it.
Last, retractor Vivek Dubey.
Maybe a comedian or entertainer.
Next question. Arrange them as per your preference in sex appeal, all the female DCMs. First,
It's a bad question. Very bad question.
I'm just taking the name, then you have to arrange them.
Sorry.
Dhwani Satra,
Okay.
Tanvi Pandya,
Okay.
Reena Rajguru,
Okay.
Sharmin Mistry, and Tejasvi P.
Okay, I would start with probably Dhwani Satra. The next guy.
Tanvi Pandya,
Tanvi Pandya.
Reena Rajguru, Sharmin Mistry.
I'll keep the order same.
Okay. That's something very
Yeah.
easy.
So I haven't thought about it. So the order he gave me is the order which I'll give.
So the last question. Your favorite clubs from each zone.
Favorite club.
Yeah.
Should I start with 1A? Then look, okay, for a DIR, almost all the clubs are favorites for this. But club which I can answer the club which I admire the most,
Yeah.
and I can give the reason as well. Why do I admire them? In 1A, I would say Churchgate, because the kind of fire they have, the kind of energy that they have is something superb. In 1B, I would say this year it was Mitibai, because the kind of comeback that Mitibai has done this year, it was superb. In 2A, I would say the favorite club would be, not the favorite, the club which I admire the most would be Mumbai Shivaji Park, for the kind of projects, the maturity and the maturity that they have in the projects, and the community service initiatives that they take are seriously, they are super cool. In 2B, obviously New Bombay, my home club, because that's where I got the platform to yeah, and of course if it's not New Bombay, then it would be Hillside for the because they are sitting here right in front of us. Yeah, in 3A, this year it would be Mumbai downtown, sorry, Thane downtown, because the kind of efforts that they have put in the charter here is simply amazing. In 3B, one of the clubs which I admire the most would be Dombivli Sun City.
Thank you for coming for Coffee with RC Lalas. So now we are gonna have a tradition which is going from the last season.
Okay.
It is like we sign our club T-shirt and write down a message.
Okay.
So please. Thank you Vaibhav and Costa for gracing this moment.
Pleasure was ours.
and I hope the show with us have made memories for you. So this is a token of appreciation from the Road Track Club of Lala Lajpat Rai College.
Thank you.
Oscar,
Thank you so much.
just take a selfie.
Yeah, sure.
My DP for today.